up here on the Withlacoochee River. This bypass canal will get me out to it. I'll try a little freshwater today. See what happens. Here on the Withlacoochee River. This is what's called Land's End over here to my in front of me here. Just out here trying to fresh today. So far no luck. I'm casting into a lot of vegetation out here. And we'll have to see how it goes. This little 30-pound Minn Kota that I put on this critter works pretty good. I'm just using a regular little lawn tractor battery. It pushes me along pretty good. I'm back in here in some little tributary off the river. This bottom's pretty neat. It's got some vegetation, but it's hard bottom. So far today I've managed to lose a bass, a bowfin, and a gar. This is still one pretty place. Alright, I finally got a fin on. It may just be a gar, and I think that's what it is. But you know what? I'll take it. Well, it's time to head this thing back up the river. I managed to lose a bass, a bowfin, and 4 gar. And I have thrown about everything I can throw at the old fins today, so time to head on down.